Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you have all been doing okay. In today's recipe, we'll be making this simple salmon in tomato sauce. It's delicious, easy to make. You can have it on its own and it pairs well with any side dish of your choice. So if you're new here, welcome. Please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done that already, and also give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. So here I have all the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this recipe. You will also find a list in the description box. I'll start by pouring some oil into a clean pot, and I'm using some canola oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Once the oil is hot enough, I'll just add some sliced onions, give it a good mix and let it fry for about a minute. After about a minute, I'll be adding some curry powder for some flavor and aroma. So I'm just going to give it a good mix, then I'll fry this for about a minute before adding my chopped tomatoes. Now at this point, my onions have been frying for about 2 to 3 minutes. I'm just going to gently add in my chopped tomatoes into my pot, and I'm going to let them fry to get rid of some of the water content and release all the flavors. I'm just going to stir everything in and let them fry, and this should take roughly 15 minutes. Now make sure to stir your tomatoes at intervals during this time to prevent it from burning. Now this is me stirring it a second time, and if you're still watching to this point, thank you so much. Please hit the like button if you haven't done that already, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. At this point, you'll notice that the tomatoes are perfectly fried and all the water has evaporated and the tomatoes have released their flavor, and this is the perfect time to add any vegetable of your choice. Now I'll be adding some carrots. You can use any vegetable you have at home. I'm going to pour in my carrots and I'm going to stir and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes before adding my spices. Now for my spices, I'll start by adding some adobo seasoning, some curry powder, some dried thyme, and some salt. Then I'll stir to make sure everything is perfectly incorporated. And at this point, my kitchen smells so good, and I'm not even exaggerating. The smell right here is everything. Now that my carrot has been cooking for about 3 minutes, I'm going to go in with my salmon, which I already seasoned with some salt. I'm going to gently and carefully place them into my pot one after the other to prevent them from breaking, and I'm going to cook each side for about 4 minutes. Now make sure not to cook your salmon for too long because this may cause them to fall apart. And after about 4 minutes on the other side, I'm going to carefully flip it over with my flat spatula and cook the other side for another 4 minutes. And at this point, the sauce is almost ready. We just have one last ingredient to add. Now once my salmon is almost cooked, I'll finish off with some roughly chopped spinach. I'm just going to sprinkle my spinach over my sauce and gently stir so as not to break my fish, because we don't want that. Now I'm using spinach, but you don't have to restrict yourself to using spinach. You can use some kale, bok choy, lettuce or beet green. Any vegetable you have available at home will do just fine. Once your vegetables are thoroughly incorporated, your salmon in rich tomato sauce is ready to be served. Now you can serve this on its own, or you can serve it with some white rice, some fried potatoes or some fried yams. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. You can also check out some of my other videos. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.